Imagine being able to make phone calls, join video meetings, share screens, and collaborate with your entire team, all from one single platform. That's the power of integrating VoIP with video conferencing tools. In this video, we'll break down why this integration is becoming essential for modern businesses, how it works, the benefits it brings, the challenges to expect, and best practices to get the most out of it. Stick with me until the end, because this topic is much more than just technology. It's about transforming the way teams communicate and collaborate. Let's start with the basics. Why does integrating VoIP with video conferencing even matter? Traditionally, businesses used separate systems: a phone network for voice calls and a video conferencing platform for meetings. That often meant switching between different apps, juggling multiple subscriptions, and managing complicated setups. By bringing VoIP and video conferencing together, you get unified communication. This means one system that handles everything: voice, video, messaging, and collaboration, all in a seamless experience. There are some key reasons businesses are moving in this direction. Cost efficiency is at the top of the list. Instead of maintaining 2 or 3 different communication tools, companies can reduce overhead by paying for one integrated solution. Scalability is another. Whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, you can easily add or remove users without major infrastructure changes. But perhaps most importantly, this integration boosts productivity. No more losing time switching between a phone call and a meeting app. Everything happens in one place, keeping employees focused and connected. Now, let's dig deeper into the benefits of integrating VoIP with video conferencing tools. First, the seamless experience. With this setup, participants can join meetings directly from their VoIP phones, their desktops, or even their mobile apps, making collaboration more flexible. Second, global accessibility. For businesses with international teams, this integration cuts down on expensive long-distance charges. A VoIP call that might cost dollars per minute on a traditional phone system can now happen almost free, directly inside the conferencing tool. Third, advanced features. We're talking about voicemail to email, call forwarding, call recording, and conference bridges, all of which can be paired with video conferencing features like screen sharing, chat, and whiteboarding. This level of functionality makes collaboration not just easier, but smarter. To put it simply, when you merge VoIP with video conferencing, you're creating a communication hub for your business. Everything from daily stand-up meetings to global board calls to client presentations becomes smoother. So which tools already support this kind of integration? There are several major players in the market. Zoom, for example, has built-in VoIP integration through Zoom Phone, letting you place calls and join video conferences on the same platform. Microsoft Teams is another powerhouse. It offers cloud-based VoIP calling combined with video meetings, messaging, and collaboration. Google Meet works with Google Voice, making it easy to integrate phone and video through the Google ecosystem. Cisco Webex is popular among enterprises because of Webex calling, which offers advanced VoIP capabilities directly within the conferencing system. And then there's RingCentral, which has designed its entire platform around the idea of combining VoIP, video conferencing, and messaging in one place. These platforms give businesses multiple ways to integrate. Some companies choose native integrations, where everything comes built in. Others use third-party APIs and connectors. For example, Zoom and Twilio provide APIs that let you connect your existing VoIP system with their video conferencing tools. Another common approach is SIP trunking, which uses Session Initiation Protocol to connect traditional VoIP phone systems with modern conferencing platforms. If you're thinking about how to integrate VoIP with your video conferencing tools, here's a step-by-step breakdown. First, assess your needs. Do you only require basic calling, or do you need advanced features like call routing, voicemail transcription, and analytics? Second, Choose the platform that best fits those needs. Third, check compatibility. If you already have a VoIP system in place, you'll need to confirm that it can connect smoothly with your chosen conferencing tool. Fourth, set up user accounts. Make sure your VoIP users are synchronized with their conferencing tool profiles. Fifth, enable the features you want to use, like caller ID, forwarding, and conference bridges. And finally, test everything. Check call quality, video performance, and network bandwidth to ensure smooth communication. Now, as with any technology, there are challenges to watch out for. Bandwidth and latency issues are the most common. Both VoIP and video conferencing require strong internet connections, and when combined, the demand can be high. Security is another big concern. VoIP and video calls can be targeted by hackers if they're not properly secured, so encryption and authentication are critical. Interoperability can also create headaches, since not every VoIP system works smoothly with every video conferencing tool. And don't forget user training. Even with the best tools in place, employees may need guidance to fully understand and adopt unified communication systems. The good news is that there are best practices to help overcome these challenges. Prioritize quality of service settings on your network so VoIP and video traffic are treated as high priority. Use encrypted connections like TLS and SRTP to secure all communications. Provide employees with high-quality headsets and webcams that are optimized for VoIP and video. Regularly monitor usage and performance with analytics, so you can make adjustments as needed. And whenever possible, choose cloud-hosted solutions. They offer greater flexibility, easier scaling, and less maintenance compared to on-premise systems. When businesses follow these best practices, they often see a dramatic improvement in collaboration. Meetings become more efficient, remote teams feel more connected, and customer interactions are smoother because calls and video conferences are happening in the same integrated environment. To sum up, integrating VoIP with video conferencing tools is more than a technical upgrade. It's a strategy for transforming communication in today's digital workplace. You get unified communication, cost savings, scalability, advanced collaboration features, and global accessibility, all in one package. The integration does come with challenges like bandwidth demands, security concerns, and training requirements. But with the right tools and best practices, these challenges are manageable. The bottom line is simple. If your business wants to stay competitive in a hybrid or global work environment, integrating VoIP with video conferencing tools isn't just a good idea. It's a necessity. So, what do you think? Would you prefer a platform like Teams or Zoom that has everything built in? Or would you go with APIs and SIP trunking to integrate your existing VoIP system? Whichever route you choose, the goal is the same. Create a unified, seamless, and powerful communication experience for your team. That's it for today's discussion on integrating VoIP with video conferencing tools. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights into communication technology and business productivity.